Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to take you through a detailed look at the 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom, what it offers in terms of design, comfort, power, safety, what sets it apart, its pricing, and in the end whether it makes sense. Let's dive right in. From the outside, the 2026 Shadow Phantom carries a bold, aggressive, blackout character. Everything from the paint to the hardware leans into a dark, stealthy look. The bodywork is minimal and muscular, trimmed fenders, a low stance, blacked-out exhaust and engine covers, and a slim, chopped profile that hides nothing but emphasizes form. The front end carries a classic round headlamp but with modern LED lighting, and fork gaiters lend a touch of vintage style. The wheels are spoked, but the rims are finished in matte black. The handlebars are mounted low, giving a slightly forward posture, and the overall visual impact is one of strength and attitude, a bobber-style cruiser that doesn't pretend to be dainty. Stepping inside, or rather sitting on, the interior is simple by design. The seat is low and slim, giving a strong connection to the machine and confidence it stops. The instrumentation is minimal, a single compact digital analog combo gauge giving speed, odometer, maybe fuel and warning lights. The controls are straightforward and tactile. There's no over-engineering. It's clean, functional, and suits the brutal aesthetic rather than trying to be luxurious. Under the skin is the heart of the Phantom, a liquid-cooled 745cc V-twin engine, a 52° V-twin with fuel injection PGM-5. This motor is tuned to deliver strong torque across low and mid revs, making city riding, passing, and cruising effortless. Shifting is via a 5-speed gearbox, and the final drive is via shaft, a big plus in terms of low maintenance and reliability, since you don't have to worry about chains and frequent adjustments. The chassis balance is built for stability, and suspension comprises a 41mm telescopic front fork and dual rear shocks with adjustable preload. The brake system includes a front 296mm disc, and a rear 276mm disc, both backed by ABS in many markets. The ride is meant to feel planted and confidence-inspiring, though on very rough roads you might feel the limitations of the suspension travel, but for its class, it's well sorted. On safety, the Phantom steps up compared to older models. The inclusion of ABS on both wheels in applicable markets is a key improvement, helping prevent wheel lockup under hard braking. The shaft drive is inherently safer and cleaner, no exposed chain. The brake hardware is competent, the frame is rigid, and the lighting, especially the LED headlamp, ensures better visibility at night. The low center of gravity also enhances stability at lower speeds, which helps in managing tricky urban riding. Honda also applies good quality control, so fit and finish are reliable, which indirectly reduces failure risk. As for what makes this bike truly appealing, the unique selling points are strong. First, its styling is unapologetically dark and bold. Very few bikes in its class commit so well to a stealth cruiser aesthetic. Second, the shaft drive is a major differentiator. Many mid-size cruisers still use chain or belt drives, but here you get durability and low maintenance. Third, its torque-focused engine delivers usable power in everyday riding rather than chasing peak horsepower numbers. It's more about usable punch than race specs. Fourth, its combination of modern features ABS, EFI, LED lighting, with classic cruiser simplicity gives you a bike that's easy to live with, maintain, and enjoy. Regarding price, Honda has positioned it competitively. For the 2025 version, the US MSRP was around US $8,699, and estimates for the 2026 Shadow Phantom 750 suggest a similar ballpark. In many markets, local taxes, import duties, and adjustments will shift that number, so you may see it higher. But for what you get, a full midsize cruiser with these features, it's good value. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom is a strong offering in the midsize cruiser class. It strikes a balance: striking, muscular styling, reliable mechanicals, useful and fun performance, and thoughtful safety upgrades. If you want a cruiser with attitude, minimal fuss and strong character, this is one to strongly consider. If you favor top speed or ultra-plush suspension for long touring, there are other bikes better fitted for that. But for style, torque, ease of ownership, and strong presence, the Phantom does its job very well. If you like, I can also help you with comparisons Harley, Yamaha, etc., or projected costs in your region.